It's just today. Hi Lucy, how are you? I'm so angry, yes it's true. Stomping feet, it's what I do. Hi Bobby, how are you? I'm excited, yes it's true. Jumping high, the sky is blue. Feelings come and feelings go. They can change, just so you know. Every feeling is okay. Let's share ours today. I am happy, I am sad, I am hungry, I am excited.
Subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't be afraid to show your feelings.